Hello, and welcome to ChurchPlus. Today, we'll explore some advanced features that will help you manage your members more effectively. As you work with members' data, you may find that you need to perform additional actions to better engage with them. That's where these features come in handy. To access them, log into your ChurchPlus account. Head over to the menu, click on People, and then hit Members. You can easily add all members to a group at once using the circled plus icon on the Members table. You can also use the checkboxes on the left side of Members' profile picture to perform quick actions like adding members to groups, archiving members, deleting members, or sending messages. If you need to perform more advanced actions, head over to the Action tab and click on the ellipse icon. This gives you access to follow up on inconsistent members, edit members' data, send messages via SMS, emails, and WhatsApp, archive members, or permanently delete members. Note that only the super admin can delete members. Also, if you need to export members' data, you can use the Export to Excel button. Additionally, you can use the advanced filter to search for members and modify their data. I hope this tutorial has helped you unlock the full potential of ChurchPlus administrative management software. With these advanced features, you can better engage with your members and improve your overall experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and hit the subscribe button. Explore more informative videos in the ChurchPlus Guide series to enhance your knowledge. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us via email at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching.